This is the Coleman 425 dual fuel stove, or oven as you'd call it. It's a little camping cookout set. I got this off of a friend of mine for $20, and this little skillet to go with it for $5, so $25 for both of them. They both work really good. This is the old style that was made in America. As you can see, is this thing focusing? 425F, made in USA, Wichita, Kansas. So it's one of the good ones. It's not one of them thinner ones that are made in China. So I'm gonna unlock this thing and show you how this all sets up. It's a nice little unit to have. Might be a little much for a backpack, but if you're camping out somewhere, it's certainly nice to have some place to cook your food. These fold out like this, and then these just go down in these slots right here. Same thing for the other side here. Little wind protectors there, and you pull this out. This is the little can. You can add unleaded fuel to this, or you can use the Coleman cooking fuel, or the camping fuel. Take this, put it in these little holes here, get that to line up, and it just bolts, just fastens right on there. And in order to get it going, you turn this area up here and then make sure this is closed off, and then you pump this several times. I don't have any pressure in it at all right now, just a little bit of fuel. So let's pump it up here. Making sure you get your thumb over that little hole at the very end. And then once it's pushed in there, you just twist it until it's sealed in there. Good. Alright. Next step is just to turn this a little bit, and you'll hear it kind of like starting to hiss out. Now let's see if I can do this. Blow myself up. There it goes. Lit now. You let that go for a minute, and then you'll turn this little knob down here all the way down. And in order to get the secondary burner going, you just take this and twist it to the left, counterclockwise, and lift that up, and then try not to set my camera on fire. Alright, that one's lit too. Going a little bit. That one there's still going good. Yeah, that one there seems to go out. I guess it's best to leave that run for a minute before you try lighting the secondary. I'll just turn that one off, but it does work. Try lighting that one again. It's going, barely. That one's coming out nice. Just a second, I'll be able to turn that down. But there it is, a quick overview of the Coleman stove, dual fuel. You can use different kinds of fuel. You can even add a attachment where you can hook on a propane tank with it as well. But I actually prefer these over the propane type, because you got to keep refilling those stupid propane type cylinders, and this makes it a whole lot easier because you can get unleaded gas anywhere, and the thing will run forever on that unleaded gas, and it gets nice and warm. I already cooked a egg on this pan here, and I've got all my other camping gear ready to go for my trip: a shower tent, a solar water heater, and a couple tents, and a pop-up cots and all that stuff, enough to fit in the trunk, and take a couple week vacation just camping out. This should be great for cooking. Alright guys, hope you like the preview of this, and if you're thinking of getting one, it's probably better to get an older one, but the newer ones will do too. And if you're getting a little camping stove, definitely better to get the dual fuels.